Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 3000 amp 9 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 460 volt 3 phase, is in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Overall dimensions 38 inches long by 38 inches wide by 44 inches high. It can be run off a PLC or in manual mode, which is what we have it set at now. You can see the man and the auto. Take a look at the nameplate here. And we'll start it up so you can see and hear it go. And the O-scope wave over here. Very nice unit if you're interested. Please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500. or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.